Okay, we're starting this vlog now.
No! No. Let me get a haircut first.
Alright, we're gonna cut this until he gets a haircut, but we just picked up coffee and we're starting our trip.
This is ridiculous.
He got his haircut. He's not allowed to be cranky anymore.
I'm stealing this dog.
I don't know what to pack.
You're gonna be dressed to be warm, not look good.
Oh, it's cute and warm. I can't do this. This is overwhelming. I can't do this. I don't like this.
Daddy's money.
We are officially here at the lake house and it's downpouring rain. Alright.
I really wish we would.
We got a washer and dryer right here when you walk in. It's gonna be me and Daniel's room. Cute. Refrigerator in the hallway. Cute little kitchen area. And then like a dining area. There's a lake there and another bedroom. Some groceries. What do we have here for dinner? Steak, potatoes, pizza for Mama D. What are you drinking there, Mom?
Berry lemonade, something.
Blake's lemonade, probably. Carly over here with the hot Cheetos. We got Morgan David on ice, and I got a breakfast sandwich. Look at that. It smells so good. Look at how spooky this looks. Good morning. Who woke you up? You and your boyfriend. We got Chef Dan, the man over here. Just got ready. No idea what we're doing today. We are officially in Paradise, Michigan. We're right on Lake Superior. Do you know what we're doing today? We have literally no idea what we're doing today, but it is freezing out. and we're just kind of hoping to stay warm. Where are we going? Hello. Anyone know where we're going?
Tahquamenon.
Tahquamenon? We're going to Tahquamenon Falls.
Tahquamenon.
Oh.
It's got a Q in it. It's got a Q in it.
I think you should get it. You're totally rocking it. Alright, and we're going to check out the shipwreck.
The Great Lakes Shipwreck Museum.
Yeah, and we stole my mom's whip.
Snoring last night, Daniel.
Alright, we just got ready and we're heading to some bakery for breakfast, and then we're heading to St. Marie, I think. We'll see what's in store for today. Teddy is gonna come along too. There's Canada. It is literally freezing. Oh my gosh. We always pack way too much stuff. Like, look at all this. I'm scared to even try to open this. It's leaving day. I'm not ready to go back. But all good things come to an end, right? Stop. We have Daniel pumping some air into Mama D's tires.
That's a man's job.
Do the dance.
Oh, let him in. He's sad.
Do the dance.
He's sad. Let him in.
I'll get butt ass naked and run around. Come on.
1, 2, 3. Perfect. This is gonna be such a cute profile picture. Okay, smile with the teeth.